So John, when it comes to the equipment required to get started with digital dentures, how would you describe to someone who wants to get started, how would they get going on this journey?
That's a very good question. So what equipment do you need? That's the CAM side, the computer aided manufacturing. So you need a scanner, you need a printer, and then if you want to do the final restoration, you need a mill. You need to find a company like Dental Access that can give you support. And I went around a lot of companies asking the questions of, because I didn't know how to drive a 3D printer way back in those years. I didn't know how to mill a denture, and I didn't know how to design a denture. So this was a huge learning curve, and some people maybe think, oh, it's too much for me to learn, but it's actually quite simple if you take it in small steps.
That's right.
So you need to find a company like Dental Access that can give you good support when you need it, pick up the phone, and somebody's there. You also need to find a company that can service and know how the printers and the mills and the software and the scanners all fit together, because it is IT, so that company needs to be familiar with IT and how computers work. And I can't emphasise enough to have, and Dental Access helped me on that journey, made it very, very easy. I have had friends that have bought from other companies, and they've been very, very frustrated because they have not been able to get that support.
And it is a journey, and it's knowing that you have someone helping you and holding your hand along the way.
And that's part of our journey now, is to help people to... How do you get started? I think you need to go to lectures, like conferences. You need to go to seminars. There's quite a few digital seminars now.
That's right.
And you need to talk to people like yourselves, talk to people like ourselves. Come and visit.
That's right.
And see how it all fits. And we run workshops now of how do you get started. And our achiever on a day, if you come to a workshop, you'll be able to design a special tray and design a denture in a day.